How to create a one-time view on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to a page where you can view the chat list. So once you're here, you need to open a chat from the list. Then, tap on the camera icon from the bottom panel of your screen. Capture a photo and tap on that circle at the caption bar, which will enable the number 1, which means that the media can only be viewed once, and after it's viewed, it will disappear. Tap on Send at the bottom right corner. Now, after the recipients open the photo, it will disappear from the conversation and they cannot replay it or view twice. You can also send text by selecting a background for it and send it on View Once. So, by following these simple steps, you can create a one-time view on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.